Hey guys, how are you? Just outside lovely Simonstown. In the back there you can see a frigate. Let me just put your finger up. There, over there, and there was a Type 2 102 German submarine as well, just coming out of Simonstown Naval Base. But anyway, it's about Bitcoin that I'm talking to you about. So my premium guys over the last week or so have been saying stay Bitcoin while I'm away, and I've been off the airways quite a bit. Bitcoin was looking like the long run hold and the safe haven. It usually should be anyway, but particularly so. And we did a webinar on, a couple of days ago, and I was just saying everybody needs to be basically in Bitcoin over the others. I also pointed out that there was an inverted setup against Ethereum. In other words, we would expect Ethereum to lose value relative to Bitcoin. That can be Ethereum weakness, Bitcoin strength, or the pattern can fail, and neither of those two things occur. But generally the bias becomes, when you have an inverted HVF, that you are biasing to Bitcoin. So on a number of different levels we were seeing relative strength for Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is now traded through 5,200 and is making an all-time high. So we're looking at a market coin with Bitcoin at an all-time high at 5,200, and our bias remains to be long Bitcoin in this environment. So that's just your quick heads up. New high, all-time high for Bitcoin, and you've traded through the 5,000 level, through the 5,200 level. And we actually have on our premium base camp a target for that on what we call a draw only, slightly disproportionate upside HVF, and our premium guys that were on the webinar will know all about that. But anyway, the bias, Bitcoin, and also a big cautionary on Ethereum's relative performance to Bitcoin. In spite of it looking reasonable against the dollar, it could lag. Okay, that's it from Francis. Bitcoin is at all-time highs, and you should be heavily strong Bitcoin. Remember, the game is to build your Bitcoin valuation of your account. Whether Bitcoin is going up or not, you only should be getting out of Bitcoin to take coins that are going to go up relatively quicker to Bitcoin. So with that, I love you and leave you, and enjoy yourselves.